In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Squarespace. Embedding videos can enhance your website's appeal and functionality by providing engaging content directly on your site. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First, head over to YouTube and choose the video you want to embed. This can be any video that suits your content needs or promotes your message effectively. Once you've selected the perfect video, right-click on the video screen to bring up a menu. Here you'll see several options, but what you want to look for is the Copy Embed Code option. This is a crucial step, as this code will allow you to embed the video seamlessly into your Squarespace site. Having copied the embed code, navigate over to your Squarespace website. Open the website editor so you can start adding your new content. With your editing screen open, look for an option labeled Add Block. This is where you'll introduce new elements to your page, including our video. Next, choose the Embed option. This opens up a workspace where you can directly input the code you copied from YouTube. Before diving into this, it's a good habit to double-check that you've copied the embed code correctly. Now, click on the Edit button in the section where you want to place your video. Inside the editing options, look for Code Snippet. Clicking here will allow you to add custom code to your Squarespace page. Enter, or rather, paste the embed code you got from YouTube into this area. If done correctly, this code will display your chosen video directly on your Squarespace page. This is an excellent opportunity to preview how it looks and ensure that it aligns with your website's design and layout. After you've pasted the embed code, click on Embed Data, then hit Add Code to make it active on your site. This action confirms the video's placement and makes it live for visitors once you save your changes. Before wrapping up, take a moment to preview the changes to ensure everything is displayed correctly. Feel free to adjust the alignment or size if necessary to get the perfect fit for your design. Finally, once you are satisfied with the appearance and placement of your video, click on Save. This will ensure all changes are finalized and viewable in real time on your website. Congratulations, you've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Squarespace page. This feature can enhance the user experience by providing rich, engaging content directly on your site, helping to convey your message more dynamically. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in boosting your website's engagement.